A Superior boy accused of opening fire on Douglas County deputies earlier this year will be charged as an adult. You'll remember in May, it's alleged 13-year-old Carsen Peterson was having a violent meltdown at his grandmother's home off Highway 35 in the town of Superior. And responding officers spoke briefly with Peterson before he went back in the house and came out with a rifle, allegedly started to shoot at the officers. He was eventually taken into custody with no one getting hurt. And Northern News Now, Sophia Lauber joins us live from the Douglas County Courthouse. That's where Friday a judge decided Peterson will still be charged as an adult. Sophia, it's a decision that followed a lot of testimony and decision making.
Absolutely, Dan. While that judge ruled that Peterson would receive better treatment in the juvenile system, under Wisconsin state law, that alone is not enough for Peterson to be charged as a juvenile or for his case to be moved to the juvenile court. In a hearing on September 3rd, witnesses, child psychologists, and other experts offered testimony. The defense seeking to prove 13-year-old Carsen Peterson, charged with attempted first-degree homicide, should be moved from adult to juvenile court.
Basically, the question on whether to put a case back in juvenile court or keep it in adult court, it's not based upon what the parties, think is the best place for the juvenile. It's based on the law.
Douglas County District Attorney Mark Fruhoff says the law lays out 3 factors that must all be met for a case to be moved to juvenile court. The first looks at the treatment the juvenile would receive in the adult system. Peterson's dad previously sharing with Northern News Now that his son suffers from mental health issues.
Even though that first factor is compelling with regard to his treatment needs in the juvenile system, the law is the law.
As determined in a ruling released on Friday, Peterson will remain in adult court. While the judge found Peterson would get better treatment in the juvenile system, he ruled the other 2 factors were not met. The defense failing to prove that moving the case would not depreciate the seriousness of the crime and that it would still effectively discourage future criminal acts.
Any case like this is difficult, and a lot of it is, it's not driven by, what I think is best or what the court thinks is best or what the defense thinks is best. It's driven by the law.
As an adult, Peterson faces a maximum penalty of up to 60 years in prison. No date set yet for his trial. We will keep you updated. Live in Superior, Sophia Lauber, Northern News Now.
In May, in the wake of the Peterson shooting incident, we looked into the lack of child mental health care that's available in Northwest Wisconsin. You can find that full story using the Northern News Now app.